Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a quick hands-on review of Huawei 15W quick wireless charger along with a quick unboxing as well. We will have a look on all of its features, pros and cons, and whether you should buy the Huawei wireless charger or not. So here we go. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Huawei 15W quick wireless charger comes in this retail box. On the front side there is a picture of the wireless charger. On the retail box it is mentioned that it comes with 15W maximum wireless charging capability. It is light and portable, and it comes with multi-layer safety protection. On the back of the device we got the technical specification that the input port is USB Type-C, the maximum output power is 15W, and input is 5 to 12 volt, maximum 2 ampere. And inside the box you will find the wireless charger, an adapter, and USB Type-C cable. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is the Huawei 15W quick wireless charger, a 40W Huawei supercharged charger, a USB Type-C cable, some user manual, quick start guide, warranty card, and that's all. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of Huawei 15W quick wireless charger, a charger, user manual, quick start guide, warranty card, a 40W Huawei supercharged adapter, and USB Type-C cable. So first of all, let's talk about the design of this device. It's very small in size, not more than the size of a regular man's palm. And considering the big retail box that we got here, the size of the charger itself is very small, and it weighs just 78 grams, so you can carry it anywhere, especially when you're traveling, because of its small size and the weight. There is a red strip provided that looks pretty good. On the back you will find a USB Type-C port to connect the adapter to the wireless charger. And on the front side there is an LED indicator to give you an idea of the charging state of your smartphone. And at the bottom of the Huawei wireless charger you will find some technical specification of this device. On the top at the center you will find there is Huawei branding. Once you remove the protective film you will find that the top of this wireless charger is basically a silicon surface that provides good grip to the smartphone once you place on it, and it feels good in hand as well once you touch it. But one drawback of this silicon surface is that because of its stickiness it attracts lots of dust, fiber as well, and you will have to keep cleaning because this wireless charger is white in color and it will attract dirt and foreign objects very quickly. So in terms of design, Huawei wireless quick charger is really a good one because it is very small and lightweight compared to rest of the wireless charger available in the market. It looks good, it feels good in hand as well. It is small, it's compact, it's lightweight. The only drawback is that it attracts dirt very quickly. Other than that, everything is nice about the design of Huawei wireless charger. Using this wireless charger is very easy. All you have to do is connect the USB cable to the adapter and then connect the USB cable to your wireless charger, put the phone on wireless charger, and it will start charging. Since Huawei wireless charger is very small in size, you will have to make sure that you keep your smartphone properly on the surface of the wireless charger, because if your device is so big, it will be in unbalanced position on the wireless charger and it will not charge properly. Another good thing about the Huawei wireless charger is that you don't have to remove your phone case to use it along with the charger. It can perfectly charge any smartphone with a case that is as thick as 5 mm. But you have to keep in mind that there is a probability that if you use a smartphone with a case on Huawei wireless charger, then maybe the efficiency will be reduced a bit. But still it's a very good feature that you don't have to remove the phone case each time if you want to charge your smartphone with Huawei wireless charger. Huawei wireless charger comes with Qi standard, and it is universally compatible and backward compatible as well. So you can charge your Huawei flagship smartphones like Mate 20 Pro, P30 Pro that supports fast wireless charging of 15 watt, and you can use other smartphones as well. For example, iPhone XS with 7.5 watt charging, or the flagship Samsung Galaxy smartphones with 10 watt charging, and it goes as low as 5 watt. So it does not matter which smartphone you have with wireless charging capability, you will be able to charge it with Huawei wireless charger. And now let's talk about the charging speed. So how fast exactly is the Huawei fast wireless charger? It takes nearly 30 minutes in charging a huge 4200 mAh battery of Mate 20 Pro or P30 Pro up to 30%, and in our test it took nearly 2 hours 25 minutes in reaching from 0 to 100%. So if you are going to use a Huawei Mate 20 Pro or Huawei P30 Pro, so it will take more than 2 hours in reaching from 0% to 100%, and depending on other smartphones wireless charging capability and the amount of battery, it will take less or more time. Even though it feels that this charging speed is a bit low compared to Huawei's 40 watt supercharger that comes in the retail box of Mate 20 Pro or P30 Pro, this Huawei 15 watt wireless charger is still the fastest wireless charger currently available in the market. So if you have Huawei P30 Pro or Mate 20 Pro and you need a wireless charger for your smartphone, so this is the best option for you. And Huawei wireless charger comes with some smart safety features as well. The first one is the foreign object detection. So if you put any kind of metal object on the surface of Huawei wireless charger, it will detect it and turn off the power automatically to avoid any kind of issue with the metal object placed on it. Another smart safety related features are temperature protection, over voltage protection, under voltage protection, and overcurrent protection. And as the name suggests, of all of these 4 features, if there is increase in temperature, or there is over voltage supply or under voltage supply or overcurrent supply to the wireless charger, then it will adjust that particular element or parameter to avoid any kind of issue with the smartphone or the charger itself. So this is one of the reasons as well that why you should buy Huawei wireless charger, because it comes with many useful and smart safety related features. So in short, everything about Huawei wireless charger is nice and impressive. The design of the charger is really nice. It looks stylish, it is portable, it's lightweight, it looks good, it feels good in hand as well. But the only drawback of the design is that it attracts dust and foreign objects like fabric, etc. a lot, and you will have to keep cleaning it time to time. No doubt this is the fastest wireless charger currently available. The charging speed is very impressive compared to rest of the wireless charger available in the market. It is backward compatible, so you can use any smartphone that is Qi wireless charging compatible. You can charge your smartphone with Huawei wireless charger without removing the case, and it comes with lots of nice safety related features. So if you have a smartphone with wireless charging capability, does not matter whether it's from Huawei or any other brand, Huawei wireless charger is the best option available for you right now in the market. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.